Hey everybody, 1952 GMC Series 100 custom pickup truck. Do a little driving video for you. The electric fuel pump run for a sec. Electric fan just kicked on. Of course, it's a switch, you can turn it off if you wish. A nice little rumble to it. A Chevy 350 under the hood. Been sitting on a S10 chassis. Had some modifications to fit this 52 GMC body on it. Custom in that regard. Got a custom gauge cluster out of a 1960 Impala. Nice set of autometer gauges. I did its steering column. Billet specialty steering wheel. Low car shifter. Some quality parts used in the build. Running Willwood disc brake setup. So you got all the stopping power you need. There are literally 32 miles on this build, so it's a fresh build with just some test and tune miles. Make sure everything's dialed in right. Got a nice automatic transmission. I believe it's a 4-speed. I'm gonna double check. Right now we're 40 miles an hour, not too much RPM noise. It's got vintage air conditioning as well. So anybody out there in some of the warmer, humid states, got air conditioning already on the truck. Got a nice custom ruby red color to it. I don't know the official color of it yet. I'll find that out. With a nice white interior, got a great color combo. I've had a few of these old Chevy and Ford pickup trucks over the years, and I tell you, none of them drive like this unless they got some custom components to them. So it's a really nice driving truck. Nothing like if this was a nut bolt rotisserie restoration. It's a little bouncy, but if you ever driven these old trucks, that's how they were. Got a stereo system as well, 2 speakers.